How to put a countdown timer on Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now tap on the plus icon. Now go to story. Now click sync or upload any photo. Now tap on sticker icon and select countdown. Now enter date. Now tap on done. Now tap on your story. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.